Hi everyone, Yen here from Art. Welcome back to my channel. I'll just run through the colors first and then I'll tell you a little about what I'm doing. This is Artist Loft black, and I'm gonna use that excuse me, for a split base coat. The other color will be DecoArt metallic 24 karat gold. Very thin consistency. I'm doing a swipe test, so that's the DecoArt 24K. And the next one is Porridge Posse Paint Barn Red Shimmer. Trying that out for the first time. My dear friend Kathleen gave me this to try out when I was in Texas last time, so finally trying it out. This one is the Golden Fluid Quinacridone Burnt Orange. Again, same consistency as the base coats. And then there's an Amsterdam Orange. It is Vermillion. Very orange. It does not show through that much on the final result, thankfully, because it's very orange. It's not something that I would normally. I haven't used orange a lot. And again, I'm using also the 24K in the swipe. So made a little cup of that as well. And in a second you'll notice that the canvas changes. I made a mistake, so I was going to do two tests, and I wanted to do this one first, so that's why maybe it looked a little bit weird. But yeah, this is a bigger canvas. This is 30 by 30 centimeters. I was going to do a split base, gold and black, and yeah, I can already say now that I left way too much paint on the canvas. Should have tilted off way more. But the final result actually came out really awesome. But that was a happy mistake, really. But yeah, as you can see, I'm trying to tilt off here, but I should have tilted it a lot more. The reason why I didn't tilt it more was that this was a reused canvas, and the painting underneath actually started to show through the gold. I didn't want that, so that's why I didn't tilt off more. I should have probably gessoed it first instead, but yeah, I didn't do that. So here I'm just putting on the different colors to swipe over the gold part, and then after that I'm gonna do the same, of course, and swipe that over the black part. This is again a test that I'm doing because I want to do a big piece, 30 by 90 centimeters, like the silver one I did recently, which you guys may have seen. It had a lot of reactions on different medias, and has had a lot of views on YouTube as well, so thank you for that. It's always nice to have people actually watching your process and your art. Again, thanks for coming here. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that you're notified when I do post new stuff, and leave a like, and also leave a comment if you have any questions. I'll be glad to answer if I can. I will always answer, but can't always promise you that I have the answers to everything. As you can see, I just swiped once here, and now I'm gonna swipe again. On the gold part, here the gold really starts eating up the other colors, which was the idea, so this is not a mistake, this was what I wanted. And obviously on the black side, I'm not expecting the same aggressive reaction from the black. But it does definitely turn more black, and like I said, it really ends up being a great piece, but this was not what I had intended in the first place. But you will see very shortly. I'm just swiping the second part here, and then you will see the first end result. realized there was so much paint on this, so I really, yeah, this was not gonna dry well. I talked to Kathleen, my wonderful friend Kathleen, about this, and she suggested that I scraped the whole black bottom part and left it black. So that's what I intended to do. Right now I'm just cleaning up and putting it aside, and that's when I started talking to Kathleen about the result. I did do a few more swipes. Unfortunately, you will not be seeing that on camera. Also, you will not be seeing what I did wrong, because I thought I was recording, but I was not. So you'll just see that all of a sudden the painting looks a lot different. What I did was, when I wanted to move it back to this workspace, I lifted it up and didn't look at what I was doing, so I actually tilted it. So of course it started moving all the paint down on the gold side of the painting, but it really ended up looking great. This was the final result. This was Kathleen's suggestion, and then I've tilted it the wrong way, and as you can see, it just ran down over the black and over the gold. But I've just decided, you know what, I'm just gonna start tilting it even more, and I did, and this is what it ended up looking like, the dried result. I really love it. I'm very happy with it. You'll see that it posted on the Smartest app in some different settings. It can actually be turned either way, also to the sides if you want, but yeah, I really love this one. So I hope that you do too, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. You all take care. Bye.